call upon the Head of Civil Engineering Department, Professor N.K. Samadhya, to read the citation of Professor Krishna R. Reddy.
Very good morning to all of you. It's my privilege to read the citation of Professor Krishna R. Reddy. Professor Krishna R. Reddy received his ME Civil from University of Roorkee in 1985. He received gold medals for being first both in ME Civil Engineering at the University of Roorkee and B Civil Engineering at Osmania University, Hyderabad. He received his PhD in Civil Engineering from the Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago, USA. Dr. Reddy is University Scholar, Distinguished Researcher, and Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the University of Illinois, Chicago, USA. He is also the Director of Sustainable Engineering Research Laboratory and the Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Laboratory at UIC. Before joining UIC, he worked for 3 years as a civil and geotechnical engineer in a consulting company, contributing to major infrastructure projects. With over 30 years of research and practice experience, his work has advanced the fields of geoenvironmental engineering as well as sustainable and resilient engineering. He made significant innovative contributions to the environmental pollution control and remediation, waste management and circular economy, landfill engineering, and the application of artificial intelligence in sustainable geoenvironmental engineering. A globally respected scholar, Dr. Reddy has authored 4 influential books and over 330 journal papers with an H index of 81 and more than 23,000 citations. It is pleasure and privilege for the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, to honor Professor Krishna R. Reddy with the Distinguished Alumnus Award of 2024 in the category of Academic and Research Excellence. Now, I would just like to tell that Professor Swami Saran, who was the guide of Professor Krishna Reddy, he is also here. He is our alumni, 1962 batch.
Now I request Chairman BOG Sir and Director Sir to confer the award on Professor Krishna R. Reddy. We request Professor Reddy to receive the award.
Impressed with your H index. 81 I don't hear all the time.
Congratulations. Thank you, sir.
I would request Professor Reddy to give an acknowledgement speech.
So good morning, everyone. Dear Professor Pant, Director, Sri Mohan Reddy, Chair, Board of Governors, Professor Singh, Deputy Director, and Professor Garg, Dean of Resources and Alumni Affairs, and Professor Samadhya, Head of Civil Engineering, and my thesis guide, Professor Swami Saran, and my awardees, my fellow awardees, and distinguished colleagues and dear friends. It is truly an extraordinary honor to receive this prestigious IIT Roorkee Distinguished Alumni Award for academic or research excellence today. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to Professor Samadhya for nominating me and the entire review committee for selecting me for this award. I received a lot of awards, but this award is, of course, a special one. To be honored by your alumni, this institution that laid the foundation for my values, my thinking, my professional journey. It is both humbling and profoundly meaningful. I consider this not only a distinguished honor, but one of the most cherished in my life. As introduced by Professor Samadhya, I completed my ME in Civil Engineering with Geotechnical Engineering specialization here at Roorkee from 1983 to 85. My years on this campus are filled with unforgettable memories, academic, professional, as well as personal. It is it's difficult to express fully what those experiences are, but Roorkee culture has shaped me in essential ways. It taught me to dream big, to pursue excellence with commitment, and to remain grounded, humble, and generous in the process. This campus, its environment, culture, and people played a defining role in shaping who I am today. Every time I return to Roorkee, I am filled with nostalgia. And although the University of Roorkee has transformed into IIT Roorkee, the spirit of excellence remains unchanged. Indeed, it has actually grown stronger and more impactful. Over the years, I have maintained a close connection with the faculty and students here. I continue to follow the remarkable achievements emerging from this institution. It is truly inspiring to see IIT Roorkee progressing with such vision, purpose, and momentum. I am especially encouraged by the strong international collaborations being built, including those with my own institution, University of Illinois, Chicago. I commend Director Professor Pant and his team for their dedicated efforts in elevating IIT Roorkee on the global stage. I want to see IIT Roorkee shine even higher across the world. I pledge to contribute in every way I can to support this mission. Before I conclude, I want to again, as Professor Samadhya said, it's a great honor to see my professor, my thesis advisor, my mentor, my well-wisher, Professor Swami Saran, who was a 1962 graduate from here, Roorkee, in civil engineering. He did his ME, PhD, and he has a long career. But it's always a pleasure to meet him, and especially he took the trouble to come here to see me in person. Before I conclude, I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to my wife, Emma, and my son, Nishit, and my daughter, Navya, whose unwavering support, patience, and encouragement have sustained me at every stage of my professional journey. Thank you all once again, and this is an immense honor. I'm deeply grateful to IIT Roorkee, and I will cherish it forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to call upon the head